Hi quilter friends. Tonight we are going to redo step 2 of the mystery quilt for the quintessential quilters. For this step you need the 5 1/4 inch blocks. So you want to make sure you measure these and get the 5 1/4. The 2 7/8 in both of your colorways. And you're going to refer to your directions that were emailed to you on how to divide those up into the correct stacks. I won't go over that in the video. The next step is that you're going to lay your 2 7/8 inch squares wrong side against the right side of your 5 1/4 inch blocks. And with a fabric marking pen, I used a marker so you could see it. You're going to draw a diagonal line across. Notice that the 2 7/8 inch blocks overlap in the center. They're supposed to do that. So that's the first thing that we'll do, is layer them right sides together and draw the line. Next, with your 1/4 inch foot, you're going to sew a 1/4 inch on either side of that line. I think you can see that on the back. Pretty easy, right? The next step will be take rotary cutter and slice those two pieces apart. We are then going to press the little triangles to the top. That seam allowance going to the top. Okay? We're then going to take your alternative colorway. I went ahead and drew a line corner to corner. Again, this line's a lot darker than what I normally use. We're going to lay that over the chosen squares and pin. And then using the same technique that we did previously, we are going to stitch on either side of that drawn line. With the rotary cutter, we'll cut those apart. You will then have two pieces from that wedge. Actually, I can probably hold it. There's two flying geese from that one wedge. Okay, you're then going to sew the flying geese together so that you have matching sets. Hopefully that made a little bit more sense than the video that I shot earlier. So again, you're going to have two pieces that we cut. I will go ahead and cut this. Out of each set, you're going to have a set of diamonds that will, or flying geese, that will end up being two of each. Okay, actually that was upside down. All right, hopefully that made sense. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, but our goal is to have matching sets. Okay, thank you. Have a good evening.